All right, welcome to my review of the Redtiger F17 Elite 3-channel Wi-Fi dashcam. This is the world's first dashcam that films in all-color night vision. Okay, most of those good dashcams that film at night give you this weird black and white vampire eyeball look. This one doesn't do that. This is the real deal, all-color, true color nighttime dashcam, and it gives you a phenomenal image in the front, cabin, and rear of your vehicle at all times. I'm a nighttime driver, so I love it. It's great. We're gonna show you more clips of that in the end of the video, day and night of the actual footage. We're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna show you all the bits and pieces. We're gonna set it up. This is a full review. Amazon links will be in the description below if you ever want to purchase it. But before we get to all of that, I want to show you why this is truly the upgraded version of the F17, why it's called the F17 Elite. It's because of the voice control. The voice control is great, and also the Wi-Fi and the app is very good. We're going to show you both of those coming up right now. Turn on screen. See that? Now, turn off screen. Works really good. Now check this out. Turn on screen. Show rear camera. Show front camera. Turn on Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Everything's touchscreen, right? So you just click on the screen here, click down there to change to the cabin view, rear cam, multiple angles, multiple views. Click on this gear down here. You got all your settings. You got sound, loop recording, G sensor, volume, Wi-Fi, everything, resolution, mirror flips, rear cam flips, voice control, GPS stamp, speed, time zone. You got everything. Everything a dash cam should have, you got. And you can access these things in the app too. Now here's a screen recording of me using the app on my iPhone. We're gonna go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi here. Okay, then we're gonna go ahead and open up the Redtiger app. Now we can see what the dash cam is seeing on our phone. On the bottom right there, we can go camera settings. Okay, now everything that's on your dash cam for settings are also here for you to tweak and modify. And now let's go to the bottom left. There's your files. Now all of the files that were stored on the dash cam can now be downloaded to your smartphone from here, or you can select a clip individually, go ahead and play it, and you can fast forward it, pause, rewind. In this case, I'm skipping ahead to this part of the video, and I'm gonna go ahead and skip again further into this clip. And now also you can flip it so that you can make it full screen for your smartphone to view it in the sideways mode, okay? There you go. All right, here's everything that comes inside the box. We have the main unit here with a 128GB micro SD card pre-installed right there. There's the back side with the front-facing camera. There is a power cord here. It is Type-C, and it's a cigarette lighter charger style with a Type-A USB adapter there. That's really nice to see. There is the rear camera here, okay. Sticky tape versions for both cameras. We have a Type-C to Type-C wire to connect the rear cam to the main unit. Okay, we have mounting brackets here for cable management, crowbar to help install the wires in your headliner. We have an extra bracket to put this into a second vehicle very easily. 2 extra sticky tapes for the main unit, 4 electrostatic stickers, instruction manual, and a box to hold everything inside. All right, here's a close-up of the main unit here. The front lens is adjustable. As you can see, this mounting bracket is adjustable about that much. Turn it around. The front-facing cabin camera is adjustable just like that. You got all your buttons on the bottom here. Power menu, back and forward, okay. There's the mic right there on the bottom, and that's the speaker for the dash cam. Here's a close-up of the rear camera. As you can see, it spins 360 degrees, which is really good to see. And of course, that's the sticky tape on the bottom there that goes onto the electrostatic sticker. And if you're wondering, this cigarette lighter charger is 11 feet long, and the Type-C to Type-C cable to go to your rear cam to the main unit is 18 feet long. So I got my quick wiring set up here where we run it through the visor here, and then on the handlebars, run it through just like that. And then on the back here, we have the rear cam. right there. You can go ahead and do a professional setup and tuck everything away into the headliner if you want in the future. Most dash cams have this black and white vampire eyeball looking thing going on. This night vision is incredible. As you can see with the front and rear camera, we're in some very dark lighting here, but you can see me, you can see the color of my shirt, the color of my hat. You can see that this is true night vision with color. Also, we're testing the microphone at the same time. I'm speaking in regular volume here. You know, it's, what time is it? It's 8:44 p.m. I'm driving at 9 miles, 10 miles per hour here. It's raining. Gotta use my wiper blades a little bit here. I took off all the timestamps because I think that the timestamps are kind of distracting. So right now we don't have any timestamps.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.